Let us know about hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen is the simplest element and therefore it is the first element in the periodic table. Consider hydrogen gas in a container. When this gas is heated, hydrogen atoms are excited. These excited atoms emit radiation. Let this radiation be passed through prism. So this gives the spectrum. As the spectrum is emitted by hydrogen gas, this is called hydrogen spectrum. In this hydrogen spectrum there are 5 groups, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group is called hydrogen spectral series. Look here, this is one series, another series, like this. So this series is called Lyman series. Next it is Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett and Fund series. So why do you get these series, 5 series in hydrogen spectrum? That we will discuss later. Look here, each line is called spectral line. Look here, this is one line, this is another line, like this. So these lines are arranged according to the wavelength. So as you move from year to year, wavelength increases but frequency decreases. For example, if you consider this line in this Lyman series, so this is longest wavelength and this is the shortest wavelength, but its frequency is low when compared to frequency of this line. So now let us consider electromagnetic spectrum. We know electromagnetic spectrum consists of ultraviolet radiation, VIB-GIR, infrared radiation, radio waves, etc. And here when compared this electromagnetic spectrum with this hydrogen spectral series, this Balmer series corresponds to this visible spectrum. Visible spectrum is very small portion in the electromagnetic spectrum. Look here, this Lyman series corresponds to ultraviolet region. This Paschen series, Brackett series, Fund series are in infrared region. This is near infrared, this is middle infrared and this is far infrared, like this. Look here, this Balmer series is in visible spectrum. So therefore each line is named in this Balmer series. Now let us consider emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Look here, it is like this. It means when hydrogen gas is heated and the spectrum is obtained, we get a spectrum like this. These are the lines with dark background. And this is the absorption spectrum of hydrogen spectrum. It means when hydrogen is heated, it gives certain colors. When hydrogen is at low temperature and white light is passed, it absorbs the same colors. It means hydrogen is capable of emitting these colors when it is at high temperature. It is also capable of absorbing the same colors when it is at low temperature. Therefore look here, in the place of this blue line there is a dark line. In the place of this yellow line there is a dark line. So here these colors are absorbed. Therefore this is called absorption spectrum. So here let us consider this Balmer series. Balmer series corresponds to visible spectrum. The wavelength range of visible spectrum is from 364.6 nanometer to 656.3 nanometer. Look here, this line corresponds to this red color, and of course this first line is called H alpha line, and next color corresponds to this one, 656.3. so this is named as H beta line. Similarly this is H gamma, H delta lines are there. And in later discussion we are going to know how these lines are obtained from hydrogen spectrum. So by knowing the arrangement of these lines, this spectral series or spectral lines, we can understand the structure of hydrogen atom. So the spectrum helps in understanding the structure of hydrogen atom and also in identifying the element. So this is about hydrogen spectrum.